Today I'm going to try to fix a no start issue on this 94 F-150. I think it's just the battery. It might be the solenoid as well, but we'll see. So we're gonna pop the hood and see what's going on. As you can see, I've already removed the old battery. Here's the new battery that I've got. Just picked this up at Rural King for like 65 bucks. They didn't have the middle option, which was $90. It was either this or the $180 one, and I didn't want to spend $180 for a battery from Rural King. So we'll see how long this one lasts. You're going to want to get the group number 65. That's the type of battery that these trucks take. All right, let's see if it does anything. Nope. So let's go ahead and switch out the solenoid, and I think that's the problem. Because earlier when we started this, I had to jump the solenoid. Thought maybe the battery was just too dead, but let's change out the solenoid and see if that fixes anything. Changing these out is pretty simple. Just look at how it's all hooked up before, disconnect it, and then disconnect this from the body on the truck, and then just reconnect it how it was before. Here's the part number for a replacement one, but I've already got a good one that I've already taken off another truck, so we're just gonna do that. 9/16 for those two bolts right there. So this truck has actually been in the family for a while, and well, we're gonna want to disconnect this battery before we start doing anything to this. But yeah, this truck has been in the family for a while. This was my great grandpa's truck. just got to hook our battery back up. Let's see if it'll start up now. There it is. It lives. So here's the truck. This is its good side, not as dinged up on this side. I have heard that this truck was jumped a few times, but I haven't noticed the frame. I haven't noticed that the frame looks bent at all, so I think it's all fine. But it needs some work. And this is 6-cylinder truck, so it's got the 4.9 straight 6-cylinder. So we'll have some videos on this truck coming up. Thanks for watching, and God bless.